Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay. Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor. Until 7:45 a.m.
What the fuck?
At 5:44 a.m., showers were located along a line extending from 16 nautical miles northwest of Middle River to 17 nautical miles west of Fort Smallwood State Park to near Key Bridge, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater.
Oh yeah.
Source, radar indicated.
What?
Impact, boaters and small
Whatever.
craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Fort Smallwood State Park, Choptank River, Pinehurst,
Yeah,
Fort
whatever.
Point State Park, Magothy River, Hart Miller Island, Gibson Island, Bodkin Point, Pools Island, Gar Point, Herring Bay, Sandy Point State Park, Baltimore Light, Romancoke, Bloody Point Light, Mattapeake, Chesapeake Bay Bridge, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, and 7-Foot Knoll. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The following is a marine weather statement. For the following marine locations, Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. And Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor. Cold front approaching the waters. The areas affected include Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay.
I don't know how you went off for a weekly test, but whatever. You went off perfect. I think you did. These boys did. Flashing lights. Oh. That actually scared me. I might as well go back to sleep now before I have my 2 fucking tests this morning.